Want to know about every transaction the moment it happens, without waiting for an SMS? If managing push notifications in your banking app feels confusing, you're not alone. Today, we're tuning your financial alerts with Intesa Sanpaolo Mobile. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Push notifications are instant messages from the app that appear on your phone screen, even if the app is closed. They are faster and more detailed than classic SMS alerts. The control room, it's in the app settings. Open the Intesa Sanpaolo mobile app and go to Settings or Profile. Look for a section called Notifications, Alerts, or Communication Preferences. Here you'll find the master switch to enable them. The customization, choose what matters to you. Don't just turn everything on. You can usually fine-tune what you want to be notified about, every single transaction, credit and debit, login from new devices, or only transactions above a certain amount. Tailor it to your needs. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: allow notifications from the system. For this to work, you must have allowed notifications from the Intesa Sanpaolo mobile app in your phone's general system settings. If you've previously denied them, you'll need to re-enable them there first. So, just like that, you're the first to know about your money's movements. Instant awareness goes a long way in monitoring your account activity. Now I'm curious, what kind of alert is the most valuable for you? Every single transaction, or only the large ones? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.